How is your hair so strong? Oh my god, what? What the hell? Wow. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yeah. Open the door and there's a tiger waiting for you. Okay, why not? Okay. Nice job.
She was a fairy.
Oh my god. Lil Pump on a 90s birthday? Ah, it's his grandma, okay. What the hell? What?
Sorry, Mom.
God, would you do that? Wow, oh my god, what a pro. His baby, his beer and grabbed the ball. Was that bacon shoes? Oh my god. Oh my god.
But they don't wear these shits where I.
Oh my god. What the f-
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like fuck. Must have on a beat, bro.
Oh my god, would you do that? Oh my god, what? Is this real? Hello? Real? That? What's that? Please leave it. What should we say to this species?
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for meeting me on such a...
Wow.
So what's the verdict?
I am an otter.
Oh my god.